How's it going? Dave here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 really awesome beginner neo-soul chord progressions. Let's jump straight into it. So for these chord progressions I'm going to be using the Nashville number system. If you don't know what the Nashville number system is, I'll quickly explain it now. So the Nashville number system numbers every single note in a scale. So for example, if we take the G major scale that we're going to be using today, we number each note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each one of those notes has a particular chord attached to it, with that note being the root note. So the first note of the scale has a major chord attached to it. So we're going to play G major. Then the second chord is A minor. Third chord is B minor. Fourth chord is C major. Fifth chord is D major. Sixth chord is E minor. And the 7th chord is F sharp diminished. Okay, and the formula is the same no matter which key you're playing in. So chords 1, 4, and 5 are major, 2, 3, 6 are minor, and 7 is diminished. And that means if, for example, someone says play a 1, 4, 5 in the key of G, you know 1 is G, C is 4, D is 5. And if you wanted to change keys, you know they're still going to be major chords. You're just going to have to shift it up or down the fretboard, which is really cool. So enough talking about the Nashville number system. The first chord progression is 4, 5, 6. So in the key of G major, we've got C major, we've got D major, and we've got E minor. Quite a simple chord progression, C, D, E minor. And what you can do to give it a neo-soul vibe is use particular rhythms like and if you want to spice it up even further, then you could use the G major pentatonic scale in between your chords. So I'm going to improvise something, for example, like this. Now the real magic happens when we embellish these chords and add extensions like 6ths, 7ths, 9ths, 11ths, and 13ths. And my book Chord Charisma tells you exactly how to do that. And the first 2 chapters, which conveniently enough show you the embellishment process, are free down in the description. Everything you need to know about embellishing your chords. So if you want to add maybe a C6-9, then a D9, and then an E minor 11 to your chord progression, then that's going to show you how. But I'm thinking of making a video on how to do just that as well. So if you want to see a video on embellishing chords, let me know down in the comments. Now, the cool thing with this 4, 5, 6 chord progression is we could do it backwards as well. 6, 5, 4 sounds really awesome. Okay, so that's a bonus one. Now, the second chord progression is a 4, 3, 2. So in the key of G, chord 4 is C, chord 3 is B minor, and chord 2 is A minor. So we get C major, B minor, A minor. Let's have a listen to maybe something with a bit of rhythm. Now let's try and add the G major pentatonic scale in there. So that's another awesome chord progression. So if I was to embellish these chords, I could do maybe a C9, C major 9 I mean, then a B minor add flat 9, A minor 11. That sounds quite cool, actually. Yeah, I like that. All right, so the third and final chord progression is a 4, 2, 3, 6. So chord 4 is C major. Have you noticed we've started every chord progression on 4? In neo-soul, chord 4, great chord to start on. Then we move to chord number 2, which is A minor. Then we move to chord number 3, which is B minor. And then we finish on chord number 6, which is E minor. Okay, so
Now
Now maybe if I add a little bit of the pentatonic scale at the end, we can spice things up a little bit. And then we could embellish the chords. So I'm just gonna think of the chords we can do on the spot, and I'll show you how to do just that in the embellishment video. So do let me know in the comments if you do want to see that. C6-9, A minor 7, we'll keep it fairly basic. B minor, add flat 9. And then we could do a E minor 11, let's go for that. Let's say that again. That sounds really cool. So there you have it, 3 chord progressions for beginners in the neo-soul genre. You've got your 4-5-6, which could be reversed into a 6-5-4. You've got the 4-3-2, and you've also got the 4-2-3-6. Now, I hope you can go out and make some really incredible sounding music with those chord progressions. Now, as I said earlier in the video, I do have a book called Chord Charisma, which is available at my Patreon page down in the description. And that's going to show you everything you need to know about making really amazing chord progressions, especially in the neo-soul genre. But if you're not so sure about getting the book straight away, the first 2 chapters, as I said, are available in the description down below. And those 2 chapters are going to show you how to add 6th, 7th, 9th, and 11th and 13th. All those cool embellishments and extensions to your chords, make them sound quite jazzy and sophisticated. So definitely go and check that out. It's absolutely free. You've got nothing to lose. And I will see you in the next video.